Protocols for the 1 repetition max, reps to fatigue, and push-up test. Muscular strength is assessed in fitness facilities with dynamic measures that involve the movement of an external load or body part. The 1 RM is the heaviest weight that can be lifted only once using proper technique. It is a standard muscular strength assessment. Begin by warming up 5 to 10 minutes with low-intensity aerobic exercise, then perform a specific warm-up with several repetitions with a light load. Select an initial weight that is within perceived capacity, usually 50 to 70% capacity. Attempt a 1 RM lift. If successful, rest approximately 3 to 5 minutes before the next trial. Increase resistance progressively between 2.5 to 20 kilograms until the subject can complete the lift. A 1 RM should be obtained within 4 sets to avoid excessive fatigue. The 1 RM is reported as the heaviest weight lifted successfully through the full range of motion with proper technique. From the 1 RM, the equation to classify your strength to weight ratio is as follows. Your weight pushed divided by the body weight, giving you your ratio. A submaximal exercise test may be preferable to a maximal test to allow for an effective exercise prescription to be written. In a reps to fatigue test, the difference is that 2 to 10 reps are to be performed as opposed to 1 rep for the maximal strength test. For both tests, however, protocol remains the same.
No,
this test is more commonly used for the adolescents and people who don't do strength training. Based off of the number of reps performed in this test, we can predict the 1 repetition max by the following equation. Predicted 1 RM equals weight lifted divided by 1.0278 minus 0.0278 times the number of reps performed. The push-up test is to determine how many push-ups can be completed to reflect upper body, muscular strength, and endurance. Proper breathing technique should be used to exhale with the effort, which occurs when pushing away from the floor. The push-up test usually is administered starting in the standard down position, hands pointing forward and under the shoulder, back straight with head up, using the toes as the pivotal point. This is for men. For women, the modified knee push-up position is often used with legs together, lower leg in contact with mat, ankles plantar flexed, back straight, hands shoulder width apart, and head up, using the knees as pivotal point. Some men will need to use modified and some women can use full body position. The subject must raise body by straightening the elbows and return to down position until chin touches mat. Stomach should not touch the mat. Back must be straight at all times and subject must push up to straight arm position. The maximum number of push-ups performed consecutively without rest is counted as a score. Start test when ready and stop when subject strains forcibly or unable to maintain proper technique within 2 repetitions. The push-up test is based off age and gender on chart through ACSM.